it's one of your big twin foodies. It's Dael. Mike is not with me. I'm actually solo today. I just want to come up to Walmart in Spruce Pine to pick up some stuff for Barria. I hope I say that right. I don't butcher it. Tacos. It's coming Friday, and so I need to get the rest of my stuff that I needed. And when I got up here, I drove the adventure bike. When I get up here, I'm smelling food, and we have Churros set up over here. And yeah, so let me see if I can get them in the picture here. Yeah, right there. So yeah, we'll be taking them on Facebook. So, but was talking about some food, and they said they had some barbacoa. I hope I didn't butcher that. So yeah, but I've been watching a lot of videos where they do the dig the pit in the ground and do all the cooking and stuff. It's something I do because everybody knows I love cooking with fire. And but she said, yeah, we got some barbacoa. So I already got a picture of it. Check that out, baby. Oh my gosh, and it smells so good. And I got some sauce. I didn't ask what this was, but I'm gonna be brave. And it probably will set me on fire. I have no idea, but we're gonna see. It's definitely a pepper sauce, so I don't know which kind. But yeah, so I'm gonna try this out just by itself here. Oh man. Now I know what I got to look forward to. That is awesome. The brisket, you got such a flavor. I don't think I need any extra sauce. It's got enough heat on its own. Just enough to let you know that it's there. With the onions, the cilantro. That flavor is awesome. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead, try some of the green sauce. Green sauce got some good flavor. I'm telling you, if you see this food truck out, stop and get you some. Whoa, man, what a piece of chicken grease. We're out of here.